Hi, my name is Dan Scooters with K-State Research and Extension, Pottawatomie County. And today, we're going to go over how to make a basic footprint tunnel. This footprint tunnel is part of the Wildlife Challenge found on the Kansas 4-H Clover classroom. There we have project challenges related to different project areas in 4-H. Specifically, this one's related to the wildlife project. So to begin with, you need a few basic objects: cardboard, a ruler, some bait, tape, paper, bait container, and a little bit of ink or maybe even some slow drying paint. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a tunnel that we can leave overnight baited to capture tracks of small mammals as they come in to check out the bait. So here's the basic steps. Measure 3 equal parts on that you can fold on each other. Next, I want to add the paper to each side. After the paper is laid, I'll go ahead and put strips of tape on there that I can lay the ink on. That way the mice or voles, whoever it may be, gets ink on their pads as they go across the paper. You'll notice I haven't put the ink on yet. I'm going to wait till I'm outside to do that so my ink doesn't run off or get on my paper that I'm going to use to collect the tracks on. Next, let's go ahead and add the bait station. And don't forget about the bait. Personally, I'm going to be using peanut butter, although you could use anything that small mammals might be attracted to. And just like that, my footprint tunnel is about ready to go. Now all I need to do is go outside, add my ink on the masking tape, tape it together, and wait for the results. So here we are outside. I think I've got a good spot to find some mice. Now it's just time to add the ink or paint to the masking tape pads. That way it'll be all set to catch the tracks. Now that it's all set, I've got my ink. I'm going to fold it up to make my tunnel. Now I just need to put it in here and wait a day or two and see what I've got. All right, it's the next day and I'm ready to track my track funnel. Let's see what we've got. Alrighty, the moment I've been waiting all night for. Well, would you looky there? I'd say we had a pretty active night. Here's a closer look at the mouse tracks. Here's a closer look at the raccoon artwork. That's pretty crazy how we got the front paws, the back paws, almost looks like a fingerprint there, and then the hair where it drug up and down. Thanks for checking out this wildlife challenge. I encourage you to get out there yourself and make a footprint funnel. You never know what will show up, from mouse tracks to big old raccoon tracks. Who knows what you'll find in your own backyard. Once you're finished though, I encourage you to fill out the survey at the end. Would love to know what you thought and what you learned along the way. As well, I would love to see pictures of what comes through your funnel. Thank you.